Okay, here at the Delaware Jet Factory, I'm doing the final install on this Pirotti Tuono NRG, and I just wanted to go over the GPS system that Futaba has here. So in this plane I have two receivers. These are SBS receivers. The signal to the power box goes to these two leads. I don't really need two receivers, I just put in two for redundancy. I have a GPS sensor plugged in to one of the ports on one receiver. This is an SBS 01G. I believe they have an SBS 02G out now, which might be a little more accurate, but this one, for general flying purposes works fine. So now I'll show you the transmitter. So on the linkage menu, I'll go to System Type. Here you see on the right hand side, well, it's a fast test, and on the right I have two receivers, and it shows the ID number of each receiver or the serial number, whatever, and it shows the telemetry is active and that it has two receivers in there. So you have to do that first. So this is the main screen that you fly from. You get your plane going and you run it up, and there's two ways to get the telemetry. So the way I get the telemetry, I hit linkage menu again, telemetry. It brings up this screen. So I have distance, speed, altitude, variometer. Now, if you want to have bigger print, you hit GPS. So now it's nice and big. So the top line is distance. That's the distance from where the plane started from. Speed, of course, in miles per hour. Altitude in feet. And variometer. The variometer gives you how fast you're climbing or diving in feet per minute. And then if you hit this screen again over here, you get the actual GPS, US standard GPS numbers. That's pretty cool. So anyway, it's a great system. You can use this while you're flying, especially if you're worried about altitude. You can use this a couple times to judge when you get near the 400-foot limit. And it has useful information. Like I say, easy to set up, easy to use, great stuff. Here again on the home screen, if you hit the home screen button, it goes back to this. So that's how it works. Great stuff. If you're gonna give it a shot, try it. It adds quite a bit of extra data to your plane. So this awesome Pirotti Tuono NRG is pretty much ready to go. I just need some good weather and take it out for the maiden. From the Delaware Jet Factory. Over and out.